Welcome to our full guide on creating an effective checkout page on Fanbasis. This platform is essential for creators like you to monetize your content effectively. An effective checkout page should include clear pricing, easy navigation, and a user-friendly design. Let's delve into these features. Now, let's jump into the step-by-step setup process. Follow along as we guide you through each necessary step. Customizing your checkout page to align with your branding is crucial for creating a memorable user experience. Let's explore some options. Integrating secure payment methods is vital for gaining trust. Ensure your checkout page is secure to protect your customers. Let's explore how to set up pricing tiers and subscription options that cater to different audience needs. Adding upsell and cross-sell features can significantly increase your revenue. I'll show you how to implement these strategies. Before launch, it's crucial to test your checkout page for functionality and user flow. Let's go through the checklist. Now that your checkout page is ready, let's discuss effective launch strategies to promote it and maximize your reach. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to create an effective Fanbasis checkout page. Check the description for additional resources.